All right, team, now check this out. Last week's results, 1.8 million, guys. This was just last week. I finally closed all my positions, so yeah, this is my balance, 7.3 million. This is just last week, guys. Yeah, now let me show you how I did that. Yo, what's up, team? I hope you're all having a great time. It's Raphael here, and in this video I want to go over the trades of last week. We're going to talk about oil, gold, US30, Dow Jones, and GBPAUD. Well, let's start with oil, guys. Check this out. Oil was making history shit. I mean, gold was crashing to 0.1 or something like that, and on the next day, after the market was offline, on the next day it jumped to 20, and then after that it was coming down again. So all I did was I was buying into that dip, you know. It was coming down and I was buying it, and I was waiting for price to come up to the to around this area. So yeah, all I did was just waiting. Like I holded this trade for like 2 weeks or something like that, and it made around 600,000 profit. So this was something you won't get like every week or every year. This was a very special trade. So my risk appetite was a lot more than I would take on normal trades, because it is something that won't happen a lot of time in your career, you know. So if you see a trade sets up like this, I mean, oil is something that I think it can't lose all his value forever, you know. I know the traffic was slowing down because of this coronavirus stuff that's going on around the world. So yeah, it was crashing to 0.1 or something like that, and after that it was spiking up, and then now it's on the way up again. So I was just waiting for traffic to come back, you know, because if people buy oil and stuff like that, of course price will go up again. So yeah, it was just a matter of time that this thing goes up again. So yeah, I banked 600 grand on that one. The next trade was let's talk about US30. I gave these signals in the group. So yeah, what I did was very simple for me. I was searching for a sell entry, because the economic situation around the world, or especially in the US, is not that good in times of that virus, you know. So I was just waiting for the bullish structure to be broken, you know. So yeah, what I did, I saw this big bearish move, and after that, here was on the smaller time frame, here was a small consolidation, and then I got tricked on a sell entry here, because I was thinking it will boom, it will drop. I was thinking we got this double top and then it will drop, but it didn't drop. I was testing waters. So yeah, I was waiting for price to come down. So all I did was, yeah, I was waiting. Then we had this head and shoulders formation, like, and then the structure got broken again. So I was selling big time. And yeah, and then when I saw buyers stepping in again, I mean, yeah, after buyers stepping in again, I was getting out. I mean, I think it was somewhere around in this area. So yeah, I took good profits on that one. And then the next sell, we had this support and resistance, got broken, came up again to form the right shoulder, and then it was just dropping. And all I did was just selling it, and as soon as buyers stepping in again, I was getting out. I'm always watching, when I take day trades, I always watch the 5-minute chart. I'm not using the 15-minute that often. I like the 5-minute more because I can react a lot faster when buyers stepping in again. So I'm getting out real quick, you know, when I take day trades. I'm getting in and out very quickly. So yeah, very easy stuff, guys, very easy stuff. Head and shoulders, and then just let the trade run, and as soon as you see buyers stepping in, get out, bank the profit, wait for another good entry. So this is what I did. Price came back up because it's very easy, guys. See this is a resistance over here, it was a support over here. Price bounced, then it got clearly broken. So when it came back to that level, I was selling again, you know, I was selling again. Boom, sell, 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 and then wait for buyers to step in again. I was waiting for price to come back down to that level, so I was waiting here. Because I already banked some profit, so I could wait here. My positions were all good in profit, so I was just waiting here, wait for the price to come down again. So yeah, and when I was thinking maybe it can drop some more, so I was holding, but then I was like, okay, this thing is over now. I wanted to have some barbecue with friends, so I was getting out, and that was the trade. If I have holded that one a little bit longer, like this consolidation, if I would have waited a little longer, of course I could bank more, but at this day I was making barbecue, and I had no time to watch this thing, so I was closing it. Next trade, let's talk about GBPAUD. GBPAUD, the uptrend channel got clearly broken, so this thing is on the way down. So I was waiting for that pullback, and then we were getting in around that area. I've sold this one, I've sold this move. Let me show you on the 5-minute chart. So yeah, what I did, I was selling it here. I gave the signal around in that area. I was like, okay, this thing will drop, but then unfortunately it was building a bullish structure. So yeah, but I was waiting and took the better entries, you know. I was scaling in with the ridge split again and again and again, because I knew my risk. First of all, I was testing waters, waiting for a better entry, boom, 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 boom. And then I was just waiting for price to come down. And then, let me show you where I closed that one. I was selling. For me, ultimately, I would have closed that one around in that area. If the market would come above this highs, I would have closed that one, but it didn't. So my stop loss was in mind around in that area. So all I did was selling when I got the better entry, sell, and then I was waiting for the drop. And I think I have closed that one around in that area, somewhere around here, because I already had a great profit over here. I think it was around, I don't know, maybe 300,000 or something like that. Yeah, I've closed 300,000 on that one. Of course, if I would have waited a little bit more or let rest run, I would have closed some more, but I think this was the barbecue day. So yeah, I've closed everything. Yeah, last one I want to talk about is gold. I love gold, guys. Gold is the best. No. So yeah, let's see on the 1 hour chart. What we have is like a wedge formation. Like, you see this? It's clearly moving in that wedge consolidation, or how you want to call it, whatever. So it's bouncing around in that area, okay? The news told that gold will go up to 1,800, 1,900. But when I look at the chart, it was just fucking around in that area, and I didn't want to buy this thing. I was waiting for good sell opportunities, because when the news say it goes up to 1,800, 1,900, I think before they go there, they're gonna fuck a lot of people, okay? A lot of naive people. So I was waiting for sell opportunities. So whenever the bullish structure get broken, I wanted to sell it, you know? So one of the trades was around here. I told you guys, this is a resistance. If this gets broken, we're gonna sell it. And yeah, I've sold it. And as soon as buyers stepping in again, I was the market was clearly slowing down around in that area. So I took the sell, and as soon as it was slowing down, I was getting out, and I told you get out. And then price came back up to the upper channel, and yeah, then we had the market was slowing down, fucking around in that area, and I was waiting for the breakout, and then I was selling. Price came back up, sell, boom, wait, and then I was closing some of my positions here on Friday, let some of the positions run, and then tonight the market was open again, came up a little bit, but then it finally dropped. So I've closed my last gold positions today. Let me show you what I did today. Just today was like 536,000 just today. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, made 536,000 today, which is great on a Monday. I'm almost done for the week, guys. I don't need to trade anymore, but yeah, I will search for some good opportunities so that you can trade as well. Yeah, let's see, maybe we can make another 1 million, or I don't know, let's see how much we can do this week. But I'm gonna withdraw some money from my account, because the last weeks were phenomenal, you know. It was really great. Yeah, that's it, guys. Easy stuff, you know. All you need to learn is how to read the market structure, and then you just need to make decisions like where you want to get in. Do you want to trade the breakout? Do you want to trade the pullback? Do you want to trade the counter trend? Or what do you want to trade? You need to know that. You need to know where you want to get in, where you want to get out. How much is your risk appetite, guys? I mean, you need to know that. If you know that, then you can make a lot of money. But if you don't know what you're looking for in the market, then you won't have good results, you know. Let your plays play out and learn how to read the candlesticks. I mean, every candlestick is a battle between buyers and sellers. You can see it. You can see the battle in form of the color. How big is the candle? How big is the wick? I mean, the candles give you all the information you need. You know, there's no magic tool out there that will help you to make millions of dollars in this industry. You need to learn how to play this candlestick game. You need to know how to manage your risk. All right, money management is the most important part here. Okay, know your risk. Know your risk. And don't be scared. Scared money don't make money, you know that. Peace out, guys. I wish you a great time. Hope this video was helpful. And yeah, let's make some money, guys. Peace out.
Every time when, why you you